Ma-Afrika mahle, bhotani bantu bomgquba. Igama lami ndinguSilindile wakwaLufelo. Umampinga umbhalo kaQosha into omntwana ingabi noboya ifuna abantwana ifuna abadala. Ke guys, ananoma ngiqale phi ne? Kodwa into endifuna uqala ngayo ndifuna ubulela kakhulu. Nihambe nami le journey until this far. Ndiyabulela kakhulu bendizoba ngibani na ngaphandle kwenu. Ngoba yona into esiyilibala uba the more we go up and recognized siyalibala uba siqale phi, and I always want to show my gratitude to you. Namhlanje ke bethuna. Excited. Ndiphethe uMagumede apha guys. Ngiphethe umnguni kaYeyeye. Ngiphethe usisi obizwa ngoNosipho Khuzwayo, kodwa ke nina ke nimazi ngokuba unguNosem. She's in the building ke guys, ndizamnikeza ithuba makazazi sibungibani.
No, hayi ubusungisho wangiqeda ke phela hayi Nosem uMamnguni Nosipho Khuzwayo siyabonga kakhulu bakithi. Siyabonga kakhulu to be here.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyakwazi umuntu obusy. But ngiyabonga for leli thuba leli. So I just kunezinto abantu abakwazi ngazo, kunezinto abangakwazi ngazo. So ngifuna nje singene kancane ukuthi ubani Nosipho Khuzwayo.
I never know how to answer this question honestly, but yimi nje intombazane yaseMnambithi kwaHlathe number 2, a poet, a musician, a CEO, businesswoman, event organizer. Konke nje
kuningi nje bathi bayibizani konje lento bathi serial what? Serial hustler, serial crafter, serial creator. That's what she is.
Angihlulwa into engakhulumi.
I love that. I love that. I-reason yokuthi ngavula i-podcast. Most of times uSilindile uqala something. You have something in your mind.
Yeah.
You see it flowing like ukubone nje like it flows like a dead fish in the sea. And then uhlangane nengqinamba.
Yeah.
And then you feel discouraged. The purpose of this is to understand, to make people understand ukuthi you start somewhere. And even those people abamazi uNosem naye akafika ngalapha afike khona today easy like that. So we want to encourage those people to keep on going. Being consistent and all that, being resilient, all of that, it will work. Uzalelwe ephi dali wami?
Ngizalelwe eMnambithi, Ladysmith Hospital. And then ngakhulela kwaHlathe number 2. And then I moved with my sister ngayohlala eAcaciaville, Masabab City. And then from there I've been in and out to my boarding schools, not because bengihlupha, but I think she just wanted to move me from, izinto zasekhaya inkinga, and just have me learn kahle outside of that. So I went to Mlazi Vukzakhe. I did grade 8, grade 9 and 10 there. And then I went to a Bigville, MPC. I did the rest there. And then I went to a DUT for tertiary. And then I dropped out because what I was studying wasn't my thing. And then from there I started posting my videos of poetry, because even as Colleen, I used to do my morning assemblies, reciting. I was directing a drama, I was directing a choir, so I've always liked art. So when I dropped out, my sister was like, there's no money in art. So Mina, I can't help you. So I started posting, tagging people. Maporisa reached out, but that didn't work out. And then Usjava reached out. And then from there I moved straight to Josie. And then, the career started, music and everything.
Because I have a picture of that. And you know what? I like it when you say, Uguye boarding school, it doesn't mean Ugu to Ustot. My kids bakulele boarding school. But they are the ones, actually my son is the one, when he was in grade 7, he said, Mama, I ngibona ngomalume indlela aziphethe ngayo since ekhulele boarding school, and I think I want to go learn ukuba independent. And that was the best thing ever, because ikufundisa independence.
It does.
It does. So now, can you at least ungitshele nje kancane i-structure sasekhaya ukuthi ekukhuleni ukhule nobani, bekukho bani around you?
Khaya ngikhule with my mom. and my siblings, usisi ubesebenza kakhulu, so siba 5 ekhaya. I'm the last born. First born usisi wami, umfana uyedwa actually, ilo engimlamayo. Yeah, ngikhule nabo nje. But bekuba khona ukuthi bahambe beyosebenza kude and stuff like that. At some point bengihlala nje kuyimi noma at some point bengihlala nosisi. So bekushintsha nje. But yeah, and then I went to a boarding school.
And then ubaba ngizumbiza in the process or structure.
Yeah, ubaba noma separated very early, you know. So being hlala no man stepfather actually. A very good guy. So yeah, ubaba bengimbona ngokumvakashela emakhaya because wasala yena emakhaya, so besimvakashela, but now he's late. But yeah, umuntu ade khona wesilisa nje was the stepfather, but nakhona he wasn't ubengazami ukuthi azama ukuba ubaba, you know, so that he wouldn't overcrowd everything, but ubeba khona nje with ama advice and stuff. Yeah,
because now kunalento ukuthi most of women whenever their relationships, like romantically, when they don't work, baba nalento ukuthi I was looking for my father's love in other men's faces. Do you think that works? I guess
daddy issues.
Yes, because now someone spoke about love is love. Love is a universal thing.
Yeah.
You choose what kind of love you call love.
Yeah.
And yesterday I was watching another documentary, and they said there's no universal love. There's true love, because if there was a universal love, wouldn't be killing each other, wouldn't be doing anything like that.
Yeah.
How do we always tell those girls out there who don't have their fathers present, ukuthi, how to recall what is love?
Actually, I don't know. I feel like as a person with instinct, you know, you always know into my wrong, you know my right, and we have friends. Baningi abantu abakhule beyintandane and stuff like that, but you can differentiate between into wrong and into right. So if it's a problem, you are really attracted to izinto ezimbi, then you must just find help, you know, speak to someone, stuff like that. Because there's people who were right, but they still go for izinto ezi wrong. So I wouldn't box it's just because there's no father in your life. I think it's a human thing, sometimes we like bad boys.
We like bad boys. The petting, you know, I can relate to that. I think the moment you keep on dating same people, the same person, you need to recognize it at some point and try to and okay, this is how I've been doing things. How about I try because sometimes nama fears of an unknown. So unosipho. From being unosipho to nosem, how did that come about?
Okay, like I was saying, I was doing a lot of poetry at high school and stuff. Mangifika grade 11 Bergville, my piece. Mangifika, there was a guy at Denzi Poetry before me. Nangifika, igama lakhe beku Uru the poet. Na bengibiza no the poet because no Sipho.
Yes.
But bebe baningi no at that school because bonke no Sipho bebe biza no. And then they were like, there was a guy who was doing poetry, Uru, so you know, usuru etomusha so uzoba unu, you know. So from there I was just unu. And then when I came to Edgeways, I started doing music. I added Usem because Usem entered, you know. I just became Usem, and then it became a stage name. Yeah, I was just creating a stage name.
So now ngiyakuzwa uke uhlala ema-suburbs wafunda ko boarding school kodwa inkondlo zakho zingesintu. And the stat says ukuthi every second week we're losing a word, an indigenous word. Do you know that?
Crazy. I didn't know.
Yeah, every second week we're losing our indigenous language. Indigenous word. And now what was the reason for you decided? I've heard your poems as a slung.
Yeah.
What was the reason for that?
I was writing mostly in English, being recited in English a lot until people started comparing me with other poets. Because with English poetry, I think reciting it, you are gonna sound like someone else. There's no way of owning it because it's not our mother tongue, So I did a poem ngesiZulu and I never looked back because I was like, this is me, this is my voice, this is ugogo talking now, So yeah, that's how it just happened. Because it just sounded like everyone else who does it in English, because it's roller and stuff. You can't own English.
You were not worried that mhlambe, because English is a universal language and you want your messages to reach everybody. You didn't worry about that at that moment when you took that decision.
Once I started doing it, I got more numbers than when I was doing English, which is crazy. But bakhona abantu who come to me, people from other countries, with I love your poetry. I don't know what you're saying, but nami ngiyakhala right now because and I can't. Unfortunately, I can't translate a poem because if I translate it, it's not gonna sound the way that I was doing it. But yeah, I still have inkondlo the English for abantu yabo abanga understand, but I still have a following yabantu abanga understand. It's just that they can feel umoya wayo, yeah.
And now let's talk about umoya. Oh, I've got chills because my poems are they're more about heartbreak. They are more about love. In all of that, for me, what I picked mostly, unalento a self-awareness. You have this thing yokuthi you need to account as well in other things. My poems are mostly mina la engihlala ngiresonate now. It's this thing, it's those ones which mara yazi ngiyimina engiyengamiyekela ukuthi enze kanje na kanje over and over again. That is why I have countless things to say uzenzile. Kodwa if ngangihambe from day one when they did that, I wouldn't have this numerous.
Why is
that? Because my poems are kind of hurt a girl. Yes, but you always want people to account as well.
I think I believe in accountability a lot. I believe and knowing taking accountability is a big thing in my life, honestly. So I always try to tell about
yes. Ukuthi ukwenzile lokho kodwa njengoba semanje sekakushaye wakophula wayiqala mhlambe ngomuno wathi ngizokushaya
wena. But I don't blame the victim, but at the end of the day I'm just letting know abantu who are still going there, you can still stop it. You can still stop it, whatever it is, and take accountability. Ma wrong if you see, ulbheke nje iqiniso iqiniso nje yona ndlela yokuhamba impilo,
And then they said easier said than done sometimes, right? So are you in a relationship?
I am in a relationship, yes. Yes. And obviously kuba khona vele ingqinamba here and there inkinga, but honest, Brian, communication. And the guy I'm with, uyangifundisa a lot about communicating, because mina, how I grew up, I didn't have like isibonelo esihle from the people I saw in relationships. I grew up around a lot of toxic relationships, so it became a thing for me. It's like, toxicity is the way, but but now I'm learning to sit down and actually talk, and without raising your voice or anything, having just a conversation about something and finding a solution for that. I would say I'm still learning, but I'm doing great in that.
And
journey.
I totally understand. And I think when anjengomuntu or poets, I think isikhathi esiningi you ukhona express through isibalekazi type of thing. So maybe now taking it to the next level of now sitting and talking about emotions like that, it's something that you struggle a bit, ne?
Yeah, I do struggle. And recite it, but I'm learning. I think guesses are also to have a partner like that who's willing to understand you and teach you things, because we learn a lot from the people who are So I'm learning.
Do you have kids?
I don't.
Okay.
But I want 10 kids.
Yeah.
But late.
No. Leo, I don't believe in that. Honestly speaking, I just believe Wuti, ingane iyafika ngesikhathi sayo makufanele ifike. You can try many a times. You can even go to your IVFs and then zingasebenzi, but isikhathi.
Yeah, that's what a lot of people have been saying.
It's not. And
so
I
you for 10 inambi yehle mhlawumbe seku-8.
No, I don't believe in that. But again, I believe that from your heart, from your mind and mouth to his ears, isikhathi masisifikile. So ithola mhlambe nje fanele uqala focus yabo wenza zonke izinto zakho uma sewuqedile ke na uhlale and
mama, you know. Kuningi okumele kusuke endleleni kuqala.
Yeah, I believe in that. And now ngifuna ukuthi sikhulume ama highlights wakho with uSjava.
Highlights.
Like, you know, when now njengobu poster and all that, and uSjava, what I see you. I see you, girl. I believe in you.
I
Tell me about it.
On Twitter free Twitter on MTN.
Yeah.
I posted, a friend of mine was like, why don't you take uSjava, because you'll talk about the same things, you know, heartbreak and stuff like that. So I did a poem, and then in the background beglala before. Yeah. And he was the first person to like it and retweet it. And he followed me same time. And he sent it the same time. It's like, why Ulo, man? Yeah, I love it. With some fire emojis. I'm like, what? Yeah, right. It's like, hey, yo, this is lit, you know. And then he was going to have a show in Newcastle at that time. Because basically, we drop out too.
Okay.
And Ladysmith is close to Newcastle. They asked me to and I was like, Ladysmith, and like, I'm going to have a show there. Would you like to be part of my set? You know, it was also quick, Jake. Fast. I was like, yeah, of course, you know. And then on the day, I didn't have money for a taxi. I couldn't. But I cried. I couldn't find money for a taxi. And it was so cheap in Mariakon. And I'm like, Angwazi man. And then he was like, there's always a second time, you know, next time. Oh,
because like, maybe you were hoping
next time me.
Ati, iboleke ngizofika ngikunike mangifika or something.
Okay, I think wawuzojoboya wamutina, and he sent an e-wallet. I told her little man ngagibela, and I went there, and yeah, we did the show. It was beautiful. The performance, angzange ngibimbe or anything. It was my first performance with crowd engagayana, but I killed it.
You look like a shy person, and how do you do that?
I am shy.
And like that's the thing. Ubukeka njengomuntu shy. And
I think once you get on stage, man, it's like if it's something ozalwe nayo, you just go with it.
And the signature yakho ngikhumbula ngamapoem akho nalento ethi
oh wow. I've never heard someone say that before.
But yeah, hey. You know?
I know it. Yeah.
I see you in that. I see it, trust me. But I like it. Trust me, I like that. In a land of damn it.
I
love that. I love that. And I mean, you are a writer, we poet, we are Ula, we CEO. If you were right now, get to choose one. Out of them, what would you choose?
Damn. What? I would choose writing. Yeah, because then I can write songs for people and write films and write whatever I want to write. And then other people are going to recite it, I guess.
I had a guy last week, Obizwang Osenje, it will be painful to watch people not putting emotions on what I would write.
Yeah, I think that would be the problem, Uti. If you want it done right, do it yourself. So I think that would be the problem. Don't say it like this. And imagine people won't understand because I have my own way and my own flows, you know. So, but yeah, I would stick to writing because I can't choose between singing and reciting. Yeah.
So njengoba usho ukuthi waposta ke ku-Twitter ne kunomnye umfana benke ngaba naye lana obizwa ngoDwela. Dwela said uSjava once reached out kuye emtshela ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe muhle. Athi immediately he went on Twitter. What, you can't believe, guys, uSjava just followed me and this is what he said. Athi uSjava wa respond. Wathi, do not ever count your chicken before the eggs hatches. Not everybody is happy for you.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
I was like, damn, I mean, so
That's true.
yesterday I was asking Ekonaba, I was like, should I write it on my status? That sense. But no, don't do that. What if maybe kusasa kuzovela
Then go back
something?
on the I can't make it now. Yeah, but yeah, you never know. Man, buy baby trees here, man.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
very true.
So I'm learning as well. But excitement sometimes,
Yeah, I know the
like when in my mind I'm thinking that your first time seeing uSjava. I mean, we're talking about uSjava lana. And other artists, can you please just mention amanyama artists that you've worked with? Umlindo, I know that you've worked with Umlindo. Ubuhle Bendalo.
Abo Josiah. Just released a song with Uyanga Chief. Yeah, and I've met even more
Uyanga Chief,
artists.
the one, what if God did it? Da, 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 da.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
Yeah, so yeah, I've met a lot of. I feel like at this point, sing with everyone, but I've never had that excitement born in me. Angsumutu who, yeah,
You are very humble.
I
love
just I don't have that.
I'll be quite hyped. I'll be nalent with you.
No. I'm like, oh damn, actually. But yeah, I've never been a person or that does it like in the presence of people. I think I know myself also at the same time. Yeah, the confidence.
I love it. I love that. Yeah, but le confidence le low key ukuthi it's fine, guys.
Like,
I want you to keep on wondering what I'm all about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but there are things that excite me. I think outside of meeting abantu aba famous or whatever, but there are things that excite me. Isn't anything like buying something new for my house or stuff like that. Those are things in time we post that like, oh, thing is you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are the type of things that excite me, I guess.
Wow, my late mom used to say to me, ndayicapukela ke lento ndayicapukela uba uphela unyaka ungathenganga nespoon. So I get what you mean.
Yeah,
I think it's very important sometimes ukuthi lokho kutholayo nje buy something that izokukhumbuza ukuthi le mali iye yasuka entweni ethizeni.
Yes, those are the things that excite me. Doing stuff for myself. Yeah.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies, I cook, I play puzzles. I like games. I have Jagga. I like playing video games. I don't like reading, but I have so many books that need me to read. But yeah. But
You are
cooking
indoors.
is
Umuntu wasendlini nje.
yeah. I'm always endlini. I don't go out much unless if siyaphuma nabangani, but it's never like a groove or stuff like that. It's just like going to eat. I like food. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. And now ngifuna understand how it's like, cause mina ngilomuntu nami ngayiqeda 2 weeks ngaphumela ngaphandle and angibona into wrong.
Yeah.
And now how do you take it when you have to go do something? Cause mina I drag, I think it through. I just fast forward, see me there coming back home already.
Yes, that's what happens. I think also we are getting energy. It's also the energy. But there are places that I go to and umoya wakhona it doesn't feel right with me. I'm like, nah, asambe, like let's go back to the house. But yeah, it happens a lot. Like but magum seventy that I'm looking forward to. Communication, yeah.
Do you see? Okay, how do I put this question? I know that as Bengshilo earlier, when you start your craft, you anticipate, you plan, and all that. Do you feel you getting support as you anticipated?
I'm one person ongafuni the count your chickens before
Yeah.
thing. Angithandi ukuzibekela a goal or something like that. I always let things just happen the way, because I've been doing events also. I never tell myself, you know, I always accept whatever number of people that come, but it's always, it clears the expectation, yeah.
Okay.
That's, you know, when you're not expecting anything, you know. So that's how I live my life, honestly. I just so everything that happens, I'm always happy. I'm like, what? They reacted like that, you know, because I'm not expecting them to react in any way. Yeah, I try to keep expectations low as much as I can. Yeah.
Do you think as South Africans we into poetry as we are into other things like the industry?
No.
Tell me about it.
I think only now we are trying to grow poetry, because now we are getting it to commercial space, you know. I think abantu babebona poets nje, they just think, oh, magama uzokhuluma nje, you know, uzosikhalisa nje, you know. They just think theater, you know, the acting and stuff like that. So I'm putting poetry in music now. So I think it's gonna grow to that, because a lot of people are also starting to do that. Now you can listen to poetry and it's a nice song and you can sing along in Kondlo as if though it's a rap song, you know. So I think with time we're gonna get there. But for now, khona abantu abasa close-minded about mabeboni poets. It's just a book and theater, you know. But yeah, we're gonna get it there. Trust me, Sophie. Up.
One thing that I enjoy kakhulu with TikTok is watching inkondlo zase-DUT. Nkosi yami.
Yeah, kakhulu
talent laphana nkosi.
Yeah.
I wish that we can have more of that. I think we need a freedom of expression, because I don't think we get that a lot.
Yeah, that's true.
And I believe through poetry,
yeah,
and sometimes maybe we mhlambe mina ngeke ngikhona ukurecite ukuthi kwathi, but I think by writing and read.
But yeah, khuluma inkondlo, you know. So yeah, we are trying to do these sessions that we are doing so that abantu, because like Goli, inkondlo iningi eThekwini.
Yes.
So like Goli, I've seen ama sessions awekho. If akhona, you must pay to perform there, you know.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I was so shocked. There are people who give you the stage and everything and you pay them to perform there. And there's not even a crowd. They can't bring in a crowd. So I think we did Gagele Nkondlo, my event. That's what we're trying to do, because we have open mic. It's a free open mic. Bafika abantu lapha, musicians and poets. And yeah, people are loving that, because abayijwayele like God, you know. So people are loving that. By the way,
guys, Icegele Nkondlo uyi-founder yayo. Ningadideki. Sikhuluma ne-founder yeCegele Nkondlo.
And I also saw when I went to, because I've been saying they shouldn't box poets, you know. Like a poet can come to a festival, I perform, and people will listen. You know, because I saw Mangia in Cape Town on this Java tour, Mang perform to a big crowd. People went silent and they listened to what I was saying. And poetry worked, because they like, no, you need the spaces too for a poet. No, poetry can be performed anywhere. People want to listen. And I must be puzile. Yes, that's when they listen. Damn, you know, so people must just stop boxing us, man. They must stop boxing us.
Yeah, because obviously when we think poetry, we think of closed off things. You know, we can't express, no shouting.
But if you know how to conquer a crowd, you can.
And what was the reason of you thinking ukuthi uvule Icegele Nkondlo?
Yes. That's because abantu abaningi bese sebekhalile vela about sessions eGoli uthi yo asinama sessions eGoli. So owner Pata reached out actually and was like, yo, I like your work and I think ungasebenza la kwi-venue. So he gave me the venue. So I was like, damn, kwahlangana nje ngisacabanga vele. And then we started. And
then yenzeka nini how like ama-sessions wenu niwenza nini na nini?
We do twice a year. Or once a year. Kuya ngokuthi budget ithini. Yeah, but we started in 2022. We've been doing every year, pata. But now I'm moving it. So sebenza nase Onomo, Sentin and stuff. Also trying to get Cape Town and Durban. But yeah, obviously we need the funding, but I must need the funding as I'm a poet.
And yes, I had another guy lana ozibiza ngokuthi usisanuse ne. I just igama lakhe ngilikhohle Shaman Chant.
Okay.
What's the saddest part about i-craft yenu? Njengoba usho ukuthi nina government akanifund. Unless fanele wazi ubani.
Yeah, baya ngama-connection, yeah. Baya ngama-connection. So when we do shows, umuntu uyayithola funding, you go to the show, they don't want to pay you. Because one person enganze i-shout out kuyena uGubela. Gubela does get funding and he pays abantu aba-performer, you know. Durban. Abantu base-Durban, they get funding. Because kwazi ukuthi poetry said Durban. You know? Yeah, because banama connections also. My connections, guys, it. But yeah, some people get funding. Ugcina ngokubona kwi-poster ukuthi kubhalwe NAC, kubhalweni. But payment, we don't get paid. Uhambe uperformer and bona babone ngathi bakuputha on, yabo. So also as ama-poets thina ourselves, sibhekelana phansi,
Yes, I was about to ask that. Ukuthi nina ninodwa, do you shield each other? Do you support each other?
I think inkinga kuba yilokho also ukuthi kunabantu ababhekelana phansi abangafuni to help, you know, ukuthi I'm just gonna give you the stage to perform. Umuntu apocket imali, you know. So at the end of the day, awusakwazi ukubeka isinkwa etafuleni, you know.
And you still need transportation to get there. You have bills to pay.
Yeah.
Base kubona ugibela itaxi bese thina ngoba sizitshela ukuthi hayi uNusem she's
next thing abantu bakubuza kanti why ungenzi ukuthi imali ayikho, people are not paying us. So I would say nje to all the fellow poets ukuthi bayeke nje leyo nto leyo of the competition of bukelana phansi,
because you are all unique.
Yeah, that's the thing I'm always saying. It's easier to unique. Support another person, because if we are ithemba craft yakho wena, then you shouldn't see another person as a problem. Melumbone nje as umuntu talented, umpushe naye. So shouldn't be that hard, honestly.
I love that. And then unalente smooth name ukhuluma. And mina I'm so exposed to poetry esiXhosa engxolayo madoda. People like that. No, like it's so what I'm trying to say. I'm not bashing on anyone, right?
No,
that's what I was used to. Madoda ndiboleke nizagweba ngambini bafazi ndiboleke niqhiya ngam. And then you came, and then now kunale, you know, it was a breath of fresh air, and be like, oh, okay, you can still be heard without screaming.
Yeah.
I love it. Like,
just talk.
Umnandi, man. Oh, umnandi. And guys, I want to say this. We are qalane ukuza ku podcast.
Yeah, this is my first podcast.
Oh, you're virgin. G. And I'm so happy. I feel so honored. And then ngifuna ukuthi ungibeke esithombeni, what is Nokhanyisa Entertainment? Is it the same thing as we see Guyo?
Yeah. Nokhanyisa Entertainment is my company. Okay. We do my events, we do management, but I haven't signed anyone because, you know, I want to take my time with finding the right people to sign. And yeah, I'm doing everything under Nokhanyisa. Let's go under Nokhanyisa. So yeah, that's the companies.
Interesting. And because we'll
be doing films soon. So
yes,
look out for that.
You know what? A reason, and ngiyajabula ukuthi wangitshela ukuthi what is it all about, because bengisazokubuza ukuthi are you signed with any record label?
No, I'm not signed. I'm independent. I have my own label.
And it's a good thing. I think it's one of the things that gives us sure with the late Ricky if people could learn that they can still be, they can build their own empire without depending on someone else, because we now end up hating on each other. Siyabona ukuthi abantu benziwani, like ama-celebrities out there. And it's not a good thing ukuthi wena uNkulunkulu ukuphele talent and you're working so hard and there's someone who just come and
azothatha nje the iy'thelo zakho. Yeah, that's true. Because I was signed to 1020 Cartel company as Java.
Yes.
And basisiza with the bringing the names out there, you know, and then aphela my contracts because nabo bebeqala bebengaka even now abakasayini umuntu because they wanted to go back.
What is it called? Cartel?
1020 Cartel.
1020 Cartel.
Yeah. So they went back to the drawing board, aphela my contracts, and then that's when I started in Okhanyisa from there. But I still get a lot of support from Java a lot. So yeah.
Why the name?
The name 1020 Cartel?
No Khanyisa.
No Khanyisa.
Yeah.
Hayi igama lami engaliphiwa mkhulu. No Khanyisa, so Khanyiselo, no Ntaba zimhlophe, undongwana zibomvana. Yeah. Ibongo zami, yes.
Yeah. Okay, I get it. And what inspired you, or what keeps you being inspired in your craft? Because I believe in everything. Kunesikhathi lapho ufile ukuthi akunanto ekumotivateayo. What keeps you going?
I think knowing what I want. Angakafiki la ngifuna ukufika khona. So, you know, izafika vele insuku where I'm like, yo, I'm done, bruh. Ngifuna ukuya ekhaya manje. But, you know, we always get up. Also, I have great friends. I have a great lover in my life. So I have abantu abangikhumbuzayo, yo, you're great, bruh. You're dope. Yeah, but, and I also do see, I also have fans who love me so much. So I do see, whenever I feel down, let me take that time off. But this is what I was born for, man. Like,
so it's okay to ukhokha at some point. Because most sinokubona nakuma movies, sinokubona nakuma music videos. Someone writes something and it doesn't make sense, and then they squash and put in the bin. And do you face those challenges where uyabhala kodwa lento oyibhalayo ayenzi sense and you get frustrated and all that?
I do. I have a lot of books I've written and not finished. I have a lot of poems I've written and didn't finish. But I think when it comes to writing like that, once I stop, I can't go back to the same thing and carry it on.
Are you serious?
I have that problem, yeah. I have a lot of things I'm like, oh, this was so dope. But now, you know? Yeah, so... But into once ngibambile, like I write ngabhala the whole day until I finish it. So yeah, I just wish I had something to keep me to that. Because ebook, I haven't finished any book because lead the ebook. So once I stop, so I have half.
I get it. I think we all get frustrated at some point, feeling that am I in a right path and all that, and you cry about it and all that, and let's talk about Blood Legacy. Tell me about it.
I got an email from this white lady.
Yes. Blood Legacy, guys, on Netflix, ne?
Yeah. I ufuna a poem for a teaser, Blood Legacy.
Yes.
And I thought it was a scam. I was like, there's no way I'm being texted by someone also Los Angeles right now telling me that I must do something for Netflix. Like, where did this person hear me, you know? Yeah. And then I'm reading what she's saying. I'm like, okay, it's not a scam because she's not asking for anything from me. Yeah, but and then I started talking to them. Bakuluma, and it sounded so professional. Yes. They were so professional. To record a demo, you get a demo fee, you get paid to record a demo, to send a demo. Everything, they handled everything, transport, everything. So I was like, okay, that's what's happening. Bang Sandela, even the treatment about, okay, it's real. I had to sign an NDA about, okay,
right, now it's gone Agnes game.
This is working. And then I did it, and they were so happy. They were so happy with what I did. And I had to wait for a while for them to buy care to is it right? And that time was the longest time I've had to wait. And then they got back to me and like, They love it. The producers love it. Siyayithatha and yeah. And yeah, Puma. And it's there on Netflix. Mabeka lapha kuma trailer. Yeah, it was very dope. It was a dope experience. You know, it was a short poem, but it was a big deal. It was a big deal. And a big
did
bag.
you at least pat yourself at the back and say, girl, you're doing well, man. It's okay. Don't be hard on yourself.
I don't think about it. Oh, it says shy on Netflix, you know.
Yeah, you know,
Too many more, man. Too many more.
Too many more.
Yeah.
And then, I'm curious. Your dream collab locally.
My dream
Yes, I
collab.
mean, so collaborating abantu abaningi abaphezulu, but other people that you would want to work with.
I think I've worked with the people. I just want to do an album now with them. Like I make soul. He's the person. I want to do an album with him.
Okay.
You know? I have worked with a lot of people, but I wouldn't say I have a dream collab in South Africa per se. You know, no, I don't. I've worked with the people that I wanted to work with, because when I got here, Jama was like, "Who do you want to work with?" I was like, "In the soil." And then next week, they said, you know, so that was like, and
Yeah.
So yeah, it would just be doing more songs with her, doing more songs with Ujama, doing more songs with the people that I've worked with. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And Zoe Modiga also. Yeah. I would love to work with her. She's very dope.
Ubani? Zoe.
She's very dope. She's very old school.
Yeah. And then
I think they've passed away. So yeah.
I hear you.
Yeah, I listen to
Abo
Abangasekho,
labo.
Abo Brenda, you know, Abo Deborah Fraser, you know, those people.
Okay.
Yeah, Abo Mkumeni.
Okay.
I listen to a lot of people Abangasekho.
Yeah. And then international?
Yami, there's a guy from France, Otua Uyami. Yeah, he's very dope. I would really love to work with him. And Umani Wells. Manu Wells is also dope. Thames. Yeah, Thames is also dope. I would be stretching it mangati Billie Eilish, but yeah, I think me and Billie Eilish would do something very dope.
No.
Yeah. I think
Do you see it? Do you feel it? Yeah,
I think ngaphuma something
nyambona,
special.
yazi nyambona.
Yeah. Ngaphuma something dope there. Yeah.
And then I want to know your top 3 favorite poets.
My top 3 favorite
Yeah,
poets.
national or local, international or local, it's still fine.
I don't know international poets. Would I say Kendrick is a poet? I guess
He is.
Yeah.
I believe bonke bomrepa
Yeah,
poets.
yeah, it's poetry. I would say number 1, Uzamani Mzobe. There's a guy called Uzamani Mzobe from Durban. Ushai poetry, Ushai comedy poetry. He's very, very dope. Google Kush Mashega. Secondly, yeah, Kush is actually number 1.
Okay.
And then Uzamani Mzobe. Ushai English, Kush Kota. I have a song with her also on the album No Kanyis.
Okay.
And then Uzamani Mzobe. And then Sesingasho to Kendrick because we said 3.
Yeah. Oh, okay, I said 5. I spell it 5.
Uscelo Mpungos.
Yeah.
Ulune Seed.
Okay.
And then Kendrick.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Ngiyakuzwa. And then you know the interesting thing, you're the second lady Kwi CTM ever since
Really?
I've started. And my next question is, because now kulabantu babalile, I didn't hear you mentioning a woman.
Ukush is
Oh,
a woman.
Ukush.
Ulune Seed is a woman.
If you were to work with both genders, yeyiphi ofila okay, you've worked with both genders, yeyiphi eflowayo for wena?
I think a few years back, Benzo answered differently the question, but now that's in Kulile Ngabona. I think it's fun.
Okay.
You know, washo ubheka umuzi wathi ozeda amantombazane uyafana nozeda insizwa inkinga ziyafana. So I would say mhlambe bengizothi hey amantombazane anedrama or ngithi abantu besisa kanje, but kuyafana.
Okay.
Kuyafana. Sex doesn't count. Abantu banendlela zabo nje of doing things.
Angina
Kuya
lucky
ngomuntu
mina
ukuthi
with
unjani.
females.
Awuna lucky. Inda
I don't. I do have good people elifini yami about females, but when it comes to my craft, I don't have luck at all. Ngisho noma ngavula live mina.
Akungena amantombazane.
Maybe I can get 2 out of maybe 200 people who are there.
Really?
100, yeah.
I wonder. I think mina mangicheck ama stats ku balanced between men and women.
No, mina I don't want to lie. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi you the second lady. There's a girl. Okay, there's a lady who obizwa ngokuthi nguLiso. She once came ngizokulalela isingoma yakhe masiqeda la. It was breath. Like it was that thing ukuthi ngathi more women can come through, you know.
Do you reach out to women?
I do. That's the thing. Oh, you're the third. I'm so sorry. Kukhona into amazakuthiwa ngusiphokazi mbetha. Yeah, you're the third. I'm sorry. I do. Trust me, I do.
Or you just don't get a response.
Angina like. But ke njengoba ulana ke I just hope sebezofika ke amanina sebezofika.
Khuleka.
Yes. Let's talk about your EP uSipho.
Usipho.
What was happening in that era kaSipho?
That was my first project, my first musical project. I was just presenting myself honestly at that time. That's why ngibizwa uSipho, because no Sipho,
Yes.
Sipho, and it's also a gift to my listeners. So yeah, it was a very emotional project. Bekukhulunywa ngeenkinga nje besibalisa nje throughout the project. But yeah, it was very beautiful making it. I worked on it with Abo Jama and Abo Rafu, and yeah, it was a beautiful project. I think abantu bengayilalela impela if they want healing and stuff like that. I also featured Uzamo Coffee on one of the songs to put poetry out there, you know. Yeah. That's what I can say, Jay. It was my first project, so I was just putting myself out there, burying myself.
And it was a success.
It was. It still is, yeah.
Yeah.
And so Zeabuna.
And I think it's something Noma in the next coming 50 years to come, you'll always go back to Sipho.
Someone is still gonna hear a song there 10
and
years
now
later.
when you're like,
what?
This
This is a beautiful song.
Yeah, I love that. And then let's talk about it debut yako, debut album Nokhanyisa.
Unokhanyisa. Yes, Unokhanyisa ngwenze under Inokhanyisa Entertainment.
Okay.
It was my project Sengi Independent. My first album, because being released the EP Usipho, and then I did Nokhanyisa. Still my name, Nokhanyisa. Gule, even on the cover, I had Ingane holding ikhandlela. So I was just shining light to the innocence of uthando. So ingoma nje positive nje about love. Yeah, I was just going happy.
Yeah, isikhohlwa kuba bathi mjolo wanyisa. Kancane nje.
I was just writing some happiness songs, honestly. Just happiness all over. The innocence of uthando. Yeah, that's what I was doing.
And then I know lately Nonyezi.
Nonyezi, which is also my name.
Okay, so now let's talk Unyezi. What is Unyezi? I know Unyezi. What is Unyezi?
Unyezi is the moon.
Okay.
So ngiunokhanyisa.
You know
Nonyezi. Unolanga Nonyezi. So
okay, because my daughter Ukhwezi.
Ukhwezi. What does Ukhwezi mean?
Ukhwezi, it's that yabona masekuzosa. There's that one last star ihlale lapha yokugcina.
Oh.
Yes,
wazoyichaza kamnandi ngathi uhayinko. Deep down you are feeling it.
So my son's name uThubelihle, my daughter Ukhwezi. So ngawahlanganisa ngathi Thuba lekhwezi. Ngoba sometimes kuyekube emnyama kakhulu. Kodwa mase ubona lela khwezi leliyana yazi ukuthi sekuzosa. So kuzokhanya.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
Yeah.
That's so beautiful.
So yeah, let's talk about Nonyezi.
Nonyezi, it was supposed to be a sexy project. I was trying to do ingoma zase lawini. you know. But then it ended up being a project uThando ehlanganisile nje from uThando Luhle to a breakup because iphela nge-breakup.
hayi njengoba sihlala sibona abo happily ever after.
I so happy ever. So story nje uqaleni ukushela ukuncomana. In the middle is allowing the bedroom stuff, uthando, and then ekugcineni it's the breakup. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I was trying to do. But initially I really wanted it to be sexy, just that umqondo wami wavele wasuka lapho, and it just ended up being easy.
I can imagine lapho salalela khona it's okay, and like it's you know, I said the other day angazi nokuthi abantu besilisa bamaZulu bafundiswe ekhaya ukuthi kuyichilo yini ukudlula umuntu wesifazane ungancomi. You know, I love it so much when I hear them nje yabo njengoba eshujavu ukuthi intombi ishelwa ngamanga, you know. I remember ngangisebring yogibela itaxi wangisho ukuthi mangithanda athi cha mama ngicela wathi angifuni ungiqome kodwa nje ngicela
ukushela nje,
wathi ngicela ungiyeke nje ngidlale ngamazwi ngisho lento engiyibona. It was a beautiful thing, and I was like kanti abafana bayekeleni ukusishela, you know, because they just take us for numbers and then from there they think uqomile. You know, and isiZulu, I believe that they tell beautiful tales ngokweshela umfana, like they put a clear picture of how it should be. So when amazothi ekugcineni when they break up,
ekugcineni uzosala, the last song isho njalo
ithi uzosala. I'm gonna go listen to it.
And then ngikubize ngamagama amahle nje lokhu uyangibhedela uzosala mawunganakile ke.
Wow. Because they sometimes baya relax ane.
Yeah, umuntu ba too comfortable. Ngithi mina ngizokuthanda ube too comfortable uzizwe untouchable.
Ngizokuthanda
ube too comfortable uzizwe untouchable.
Bese ngiyakudedela.
Yes, because sekusela uthando lami kuphela phela manje.
Angisho bayasho phela bathi lo munye maliphelile ku Bluetooth onemulo munye.
Hayi khona njalo basuke bedlala kathi.
Phela baye basho kanjalo. And then let's talk about that collaborative efforts with the BET Award. Yenzeke 2019? Was it 2019?
The collaborative what?
With the BET Award winning.
With Ujama. When I met him, ubeqeda kuwina BET Awards.
So he's the one Ujama lo ofuna how many tracks you have no Ujama?
We did the first song I recorded in studio was Ingoma Yakhe Ixola from Umqhele. Yes, that was the collaboration, the first collaboration with him, which is the song we are performing right now just in the 2018 tour. It was 2018, yeah. And then we have Imasiye after that. That is in Isipho.
Yes,
the thing.
And then now you still feel like, which one you haven't made it. I mean, we're talking about BET winners here, and
hi guys, we end up with BET.
But what I'm trying to say, you know, yes, they say we need to be humble, we need to be modest, and all that.
Yeah.
But there's nothing wrong, you know, because I believe all these things, they are relative. Being humble is relative. Being modest is relative. Being whatsoever, you know, it's relative. And I wish Njegaiwanje just wear it in your skin so that we see it. Don't put it under your skin.
No, I mean, like I said, Uti, you know, I am dope. I know that I'm dope. Yeah. But, you know, I see into Uti. Ngizobadi izinto esengizenzile, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, zizoyikhulumela zona izinto esengizenzile, but ukuthi ngidope ngiyakwazi nje lokho, nobody else can tell me otherwise.
But you allow us to tell you as well.
Yeah, obviously.
To remind you so that you can know that you're still on the right track.
Yeah, like you do need that for people to tell you, oh, khona umunye ubhuti ngishaya ngesixhosa lapha Cape Town uzalo mabadi.
Eke.
Delete man, yeah. Gidope vele.
Yeah. I like that. And then what's your deal breaker?
In what?
anything. We have boundaries. Okay, let's start with family.
I would say it deal breaker me lack of communication. I really hate it when a person keeps quiet instead of talking.
So in everything.
Young shy like in everything. Like I hate it when a person doesn't communicate.
As much as when now you are not that good, but you want someone who's gonna make it simple for you.
I mean like communication, like going quiet, totally mhlampe nje ade ngizwe kuwena namhlanje, and then next thing anisa communicate.
Oh yes.
You know, and then sengilindile ke manje. Yeah, I don't like that thing, man. So in everything nje ngathi umuntu angaba on time with communicate his card and punctuality also. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so ngiyabonga ukuthi I was doing the right thing.
Yeah, you did the right thing, definitely. Definitely.
What keeps you resilient?
What keeps you resilient?
You know, when there are times that your feet can't touch the floor. There are days where you don't want to wake up.
Yeah.
What keeps you? I must, like, I have to be strong. Yeah, other people, they want to call it super weak. You know, I want to know what is that one thing that keeps you resilient?
I think I talk manginenkinga ngiyakhuluma mina. Angisumuntu who keeps his into ngaphakathi. So when I'm wrong, when I have a problem, I talk to the closest person ozophendula. Whether it's my friend Utunja or whether it's my boyfriend, yo, bro, I'm suicidal or whatever. Like, I'm not okay. And then and I cry. Like, crying helps a lot because after crying, you're like, yo, why bengi kalabele? Like, this, like, what's wrong?
Sometimes mina nginokuphila ukuthi ngisisicefe to tell you because I cry. Mina ngicry Olin, guys, like like I cry whether ngit too happy. Mina ke kuma emotions wonke. Ngingumuntu weyinyembezi. And sometimes I become mad at myself, like, man, I wish you nje ntombi ukuthi ngeke ukhale, you know, because ngiyangifeel ukuthi, let's say I'm so sad umuntu ngenza something and I want to express to you that you really hurt me.
Yeah.
Ngivele ngifeel ngathi umuntu uthola ijoy kuleyo nto leyo ukuthi I'm liar.
No. I always ngihlezi ngipush indaba yokukhala, like, cry bra. Yabo umuntu ongakhali unenhliziyo embi. And the day a breaker, it's gonna be a whole thing, you know? Like ukukhala kuyasiza because ukukhala kuyasusa a little bit, a young percentage of lento efilayo. So if you cry, khala nje bra, make it your hobby.
Ingane engakhali
ifele mbeleko, yes, and speak, khulume. Mawuhlushwa into umuntu mayikuphathe kabi nje umtshele same time ukuthi angithandanga indlela owenze ngayo, because if you don't say it, they're gonna do it again and again and again
and again.
So khuluma nje nokukhala kuyasiza a lot.
How does your family receive you, your craft, Unusam, and you being Unosipho?
My sister says she can't listen to my work because she cries.
Yeah,
all of them, honestly. I think ubhuti wami ukwazi ukulalela, and you know, but they are very proud. But yeah, ibashaya
uyabakhalise wena. Have you ever mawubuyele emuva ukhale now, did I really say that at that moment? And then start
yeah, there are poems.
Yaskhalisa shem yo nawe ke.
There are poems. I think there's a poem that I went back to a few days back, and I was like, now it's talking to me. You know? And I was crying. I was like, damn, I was writing this for my future
I need to go find it. There's this one ume ebondeni ne wawufake iboob tube dress. I just forgot the title of that. Engakhala that day ngalokho ngibuyela ngisembedeni. Wome ngasebondeni. I remember very well. And I think wawenza nezandla kanje. And awubhekanga icamera ne. I still see that I'm gonna go because of it's either repost it or my favorites one.
Wait,
gosh,
what made you cry about it? Was I crying in those videos?
Mina
it was the words.
Yabo uthi ngine tattoo engakanani?
Yes. Oh, that's nice.
Ngibhaquze iron from my previous relationship. Ngine heart la bangishisa ngogwayi.
Wait, what?
Yes.
La
Yeah.
wawulimazwe nge-ice and then you did the...
Yeah, so you cover up. Nala.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
Same person?
Yes. Nala. Yabona ngaphume ithambo la.
Mama.
Yes. So it was about that. So now, as I said earlier, ukuthi accountability yafuneka nayo, because I had to go back and apologize to Uslindile because she allowed it.
Yeah.
And Uslindile had to apologize to her family because she put her family through that. Ahamba yokhala kubona.
And then
abathembise ukuthi futhi aphinde abuyele. And then now people who loves you at the end of the day, you know what they do? Because they cannot witness this bayaqhela. Not that they don't love you, but they cannot.
Now.
Yes. So I had to go back kuloma stages now before ngizoxolela lo muntu lo. I had to start with me because I went back again and again. So at that point, I know you were saying something about that. So you can get say one of the reasons that I love your craft. Yes, as much as we can say you did this, look documentary bengipegile. That is why Rastafarians, they don't say we, they say I and I. You know, because at some point you partake in whatsoever that is happening. I'm not saying people deserve it. No one deserves to be abused.
They don't.
But can you just hamba?
Yeah.
Hamba. I know it's hard. A
It's
fear of an unknown.
A fear of
it's
still
unknown.
Gonna happen.
And the comfortability as well. Because we're too comfortable to better the devil that I know. Zonke lezo zinto lezo. So isikhathi esiningi ukhuluma nami.
Damn.
And thank you.
That is so deep, man.
Thank you. So mhlambe wena uyenza umsebenzi wakho, but you don't know as much as maybe aware ukuthi yenza, but yes, yabona ama poems akho, they reach people different reasons. And they do make a change, and I wish people amadoda nawo yashaya kulamalanga.
They're also being abused.
Leave, because we stay because of kids, we stay for various reasons, but ayikho into important njengempilo yakho. So thank you so much. Siyaku appreciate kakhulu. And I want to know, what do you want to be remembered for? Mina uNkulunkulu namanyange akukhumbulayo.
Qiniso. I just think abantu makufika igama lami bacabange nje iqiniso. Yeah. Iqiniso nothando.
And iqiniso, abantu abaneqiniso isikhathi esiningi they abathandeki kahle.
Yeah, ilento engihlezi ngisho mina into engikhipha kubantu ke iqiniso. Isikhathi esiningi nje ngikhishwa iqiniso ebantwini. Ngoba angikwazi nje ukuvele ngivale umlomo wami. Ngiyakhuzana, ngiyathetha a lot. So, yeah. And
then ngicela unginikeze ama social platforms akho. I know you are available for ama bookings as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
So ngicela ukuthi unginikeze yonke imininingwane.
Ngiyatholana nje Nusam everywhere, NUE_Sam ku Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and then ku TikTok uNusam Ohlangene, na ku Facebook uNusam Ohlangene. But if ufuna everything in the music, Google siyatholakala nje NUE Sam, and then you're gonna get everything.
Google me.
Actually lasi. Yeah, Google baby.
Google me. Nizule ke kancane umgluglo le.
Uzothola wokumininingwane lapho nje. Yeah.
Ikhona into ebalekile ocabanga ukuthi zange ngiyitouch ama page.
Lento ongixoxela nathi ngicabangisa a girl I met her at Carnival City. She was a fan of my work, and she was so happy, you know. She even cried. And then earlier this year, she was murdered by her boyfriend, a beautiful girl, not all. So yeah, ingoma deyithanda yami was imaye. So I think that's why, you know, it's what she was going through at that time, because probably that guy uqale kudala. So ngiyafisa kube bengazi kube wakhuluma or something. So I don't know how many fans are out there who are going through that, you know. But yeah, my DMs are always open. I always respond to people about things or like that, just to talk. Yeah.
I just signed up sine organization esivulile, and I'm an ambassador as well at JBV.
Okay, that's great.
I am spreading it. Inkinga yethu, we couple for the sake of it.
Yeah.
And we stay because of our expectation in society.
Yeah.
And because sabubizwa ngalamagama uma ubonwe no Tom, Dick no Harry. Sorry, but there's no one who's walking a journey.
Yeah.
So abanye abantu bayahlala for the sake yokufuna ukunconywa ukuthi bayalasta.
Yeah.
You know, bayahlala.
Another thing, I think abusive relationship yakshaya mentally a lot,
Me.
because it doesn't have to be physical abuse, even verbal abuse and stuff like that. Even a toxic relationship is hard to leave.
Confidence, honey.
Yeah.
It drops. I remember mina efike ethi ngizokuzalisa. Ngiphinde ngihambe, ngiphinde ngibuye ngikuzalisa.
I understand.
And then I'm gonna go find a career woman ozobe fake a pencil skirt, a stiletto.
He would say that.
Yeah, he told me that. Abazali bami bashona ngisasemncane, so he was helping me khulisa ingane zasekhaya because umama wangishiya nengane nabafana basekhaya about 3. I remember this other day Mr. Dean athi ngeke ningenze nix ninonke, you're under the palm of my hand.
Esho kumndeni wakho.
Yeah, sisonke. Uyangishaya, so ekhaya abantwana babafana, so now they are tired because I used to hide it a lot. Yangibona khanya kanjani bengihlala ngiqamba amanga, sometimes uvale nangeinwele noma ngiyemsebenzini. And I think they were tired, and a reason that they didn't retaliate ekuqaleni is because of I used to lie, I used to hide and protect him. So they were tired. So babemsasazela nangezinja wathi mangathi nganidropa nonke, and trust me, you end up believing those things.
Yeah, because ikshayile emqondweni already vele, you feel like you need this person vele at the end of the day. Yeah. So that's why I never blame abantu who are going through that, because even I enjoy with just a toxic relationship, you know, you always go back, but you know this person is not good for me, man. So you can only imagine when it gets that far. Ukuthi umqondo usuwehle kangakanani, ne-confidence yakho nje isukusiyehla kangakanani. So I'm sorry you had to go through that.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much.
What's the name of your thingy? Your GBV thing?
Ngizokusendela amalentuzana okwamanje because siqeda ukusayina last week. So ngizokusendela, and there's a lot that we want to do, but
ngiyinifisela okuhle ngakho konke lokho. Nisendele nathi.
Yeah, we will. Uthi ngiyasaba manje ukuyisho because isisayipheka, but siqedile
inkukhu. Hayi uyibambile le advice
ngizwile. Kwayizolo ibiringa la ngilokho ngathi ngaphosta ngithi loading. But yeah, that guy, when he said that, it really made sense. Because abantu abathakathi ngemithi kuphela nangenhliziyo.
Inhliziyo, umuntu ukubambela inhliziyo, umuntu usuke esweni yenhliziyo.
Yes. And can I please have word of the day or word for the day?
Word of the day.
Yeah, that no matter after 10 years, someone when he listens, it will be that word for the day of the day.
Yeah. Word of the day for me will be work hard, uyithande. In everything, uyithande. Put yourself first, uyithande. Self-love can take you out of izinto eziningi. Uyithande. That's all I can say. That's all I always say. Love yourself.
I love that. Yeah. So someone said, I think I was listening to that on Friday. Just make sure that as much as people always talk about the cup that you keep on pouring to other people, but just make sure that your cup should be overflowing. Because if you're gonna pour ngobuyibona seyigcwele yakho, you will end up being empty. Make sure ukuthi nje impophoma nje eyakho inhliziyo or whatsoever, because at some point if you let it stop, you're gonna be empty. So
we know a lot of people who are great people who have done so much for abantu, but bona they are just empty vessels, you know. Abeko, right? So self-love is very important. I really push that narrative. Uyithande bra. No matter wasekunzima njani, qala ngawe,
Yes.
Uzibuke nje ukuthi yo even if udinga i-break ende kanganani to find yourself again. Ayikho into ozoyenza kahle ungayiboni wena.
Yeah. And nasebhayibhelini ngisho yasho ukuthi noma ungakhuluma kodwa uthando mali ungeke ufana nensimbi ekhencezayo. So love.
Yes. Uthando nje.
Ngiyabonga. Khaleli nje ungishaya kancane nje ngamabili.
Hayi nina.
Amabili nje 2-3 nyana.
I knew this was gonna happen. Usecosha wona. Izikumbulo zasendulo usephila zona. Usekubeke kwacaca ukuthi noma esezama isifuba esehlukile uyambona. Kuyinsimbi namaketango wathi uzama ukuphuma uyolimala. Usezukhihliza amagwebu ugciliza amafinyile efela into engamazi. Ntongamthandi. Uyobulawa ngumbhakuza emholelo ophathi. Iqiniso la ekhaya lokhu uthando. Usumthole uthembiso omakhelwane okusenzansi kokhalo. Uvumelana ukuthwala lo mthwalo. Siphi isibindi sakho? Wasiqoba ngithi esisheba nokuzethemba kwakho. Thina lo muntu simbonile emini kwabha ebukisa ngesimilo sakho. Kodwa usamncenga. Ngoba ufuna eqambe lamanga. Nokhanyisa. Yes.
Going back as Thandi.
Yes.
Because if I was Thandi, how do you expect another person to love you?
Yes.
They will drag your dignity. Feeling at ungqunu. Ulokhu ugqokile. I love that. Thank you so much.
Siyabonga thina la.
Sizisho zonke khona into yofuna uyi-add mhlambe ebalulekile engingayishongo that you want to say out there.
I think siqedile. Abantu bazosithola nje kwisijava tour the whole year. So best performer lapho. Yeah. Yes.
And I'm rooting for you more and more and more and more. Keep on touching lives, and I believe that one day mhlambe uzovula nesikole nje and give other people an opportunity.
Siyafisa ngempela. Ukhuluma izifihlo zami ke manje. Kodwa siyafisa ngempela.
I see you there.
Nani ngathi kunganambela kahle. This is a very beautiful setup. Oh, this candle smells nice.
Yes.
Ungisendele ukuthi what's the name.
I wanted you nje, you know, to
nice.
relax, and ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngibonga ubuntu bakho. Because singabantu before anything. That is why every time when I greet them I say bantu bomquba. You know what is mquba? People of the soil.
Yeah, I get you.
Yes. Guys, diyabulela. We thank you for this opportunity. And if kunezinto mhlambe nifuna ukuzibuza kuma comments ezechilo ne-DM yakhe, it's always open for everybody. Uyasho ke ukuthi yena akaba ignore abantu kodwa ungayodelela ke.
Ngiyaw-ignore uhayi mina. Uhayi umuntu nje.
Get straight to the point.
Wathi hi nje cha.
Thank you for this. People they fail to understand ukuthi mawuthi hi. What I expect for ngithi hi. Bese uthi how are you? Why do you care at that moment? Get straight to It's very important, guys. If you want someone's attention, vele nje usummarize nje. Yabona?
Bali indaba yini.
Ngiyabona ningakhohlwa ukucomment, ni subscribe guys, ni share, ni like.
Yes.
Siyabulela kakhulu. Siyanithanda. And uthe une YouTube, right? You know Semna, new NUE_SAM. Go subscribe there, guys. Go look at her craft. Guys,
I have a music video coming.
Upholile. Mamela, go yombona kumaloma video, ngiloma music video lawo uzoyibona lento engisho akaxhamazela ushilo wathi uyazazi usiphiwe uthi xa mnikeze sona, but upholile ke sana. So you don't, okay, in a nutshell, you don't have to shout for you to be heard.
Yeah.
But you can be firm.
Yeah. Umuntu mele nje.
You can be firm, but no need to shout.
Yes.
Guys, see you next time. We out.